Hi everyone. So I purchased a house about 4 months ago, and one of the great things about it was that it's all hardwood floor on the first floor, except they were really dull and dirty, and like there were scratches everywhere and they were in rough shape. So instead of hiring someone to sand and refinish them, I decided to take a chance and use Rejuvenate's Wood Floor Restorer. This and for 20 bucks, I decided, you know what, take a gamble and try it. It might save me a lot of money in the end. And thank God it did pay off because the floors look great now. So I also purchased the mop kit that comes with it, and it comes with three different pads. One, a white duster that you use first to kind of pick up any dry dirt and debris. Then a blue microfiber pad that you use to clean it. And then finally the gray rejuvenating pad, the restoring pad. So I made a video on how to use both products and what to do. And so the first step really is to vacuum. I did use the white duster pad, but I thought vacuuming was a safer bet. So I did both just to make sure there was no debris on the floor. Then you move into step one, which is cleaning, and I used the Rejuvenate Wood Floor Cleaner to do this. And so here is how you do it. Enjoy. So here's what the wood floor cleaner looks like, and I'm just spraying it all over the floors, and I'm using the blue microfiber mop head for this part. And this doesn't matter, you can mop in any direction. The only thing is you have to wait about 10 minutes before you use the restorer so that the floor is totally dry. And then once you clean the area, you can use the wood floor restorer. And you're gonna see here I am putting it down on like an S shape. And you're gonna do this in like 6x6 or 5x5 sections. So you need to really plan out how you're gonna move about the room so you don't mop yourself into a corner. Another thing with this is you don't want to put it on too thickly, and you don't want to overlap. So if you feel like after one coat, your floors really could use some more, don't put it on right there. Let it dry for 2 hours, and then you can go over the whole area again in a second coat. So it takes about 2 hours before you can walk on it, and 24 hours before you can put furniture back on your floor. So just keep that in mind when you're planning which areas you're going to do. And again, you put it down in this like S shape, and you mop with the grain. And I'm using the gray mop head now, which is the restoring pad. And you just repeat that until your whole area is done. I did this in many rooms throughout the house. So here is a before of one of the bedrooms, and here is it after 2 coats of the wood floor Rejuvenate. Again, here's that same room before it was painted and cleared out, and here it is shining and beautiful after. So I highly recommend you use this product.